This thing is absolutely gorgeous. No other way to put it. This is the self-righting Dominator from Oxydean Marine. This beast is going to hit the water soon. Full carbon fiber hull. Wow. What's going on, everybody? Addicted RC here. We got a bit of an unboxing coming up here real quick. Doesn't go on land, doesn't go in the air. On water, baby. We're finally getting into some serious boat game. Check it out here. Got an unboxing. Oxydean Marine Dominator ARTR 6S full carbon fiber race boat. Check it out. Got the Dominator in full carbon. Man, if that's how it looks on the outside of the box, I can't wait to see it inside. A little bit about the boat. We got a 33-inch by 10.25-inch carbon Kevlar full epoxy hull, 2000 kV 4082 6-pole monster motor, an Oxydean Marine Seeking 180 amp ESC. Does not come with the radio, this version. Oxydean Marine full aluminum case, high speed, high torque, steel gear servo, one-piece shaft design, all CNC aluminum hardware, dual water pickups, extra high flow capacity cooling system, metal prop, and a Stinger strut. The label on this reads with the radio. There's two versions of this: ready to run and almost ready to run. Almost ready to run is everything except the radio and receiver. We got to get this baby cut open, and we got to get it out. All right, enough talking. Let's get this open. I'm anxious to see this. We're probably going to go over the specs and just redo the intro anyway, so I want to do it with this out. Do not have my razor blade on me, so I'm just using a nail. There we go. All right, now hopefully, oh, we can see it already. Wow. Wow, look at that. Let's get this thing out of the box. Just come with. Packaged very well. Definitely not going to get damaged during shipping. All right, back to it. We're all set. Let's get this out. Ooh. Man. The detail and the craftsmanship on this thing is absolutely incredible. There's a cutout for the water on that section. See some holes on the top for the self-righting, along with the bottom. Very, very cool. Get these tabs off. That's how this looks like we have, look at this thing inside. That is a beefy looking motor. Got the water cooling jet on it. EC8 connectors. We do have some parts in here. So I'm curious as to how this top mounts onto here. Let's see what's in the bag. Bag of goodies. We'll come back to that in a minute. Seaking 180 amp. ESC. EC8 plug, that's a massive plug there. Nothing with that. We're going to definitely have to get something there. Definitely not putting the big antenna on this. That's goofy. How do you hold that body on? That is the question. What to use to hold the body on? Do we tape it? Maybe we just tape it. See here, we're gonna get the accessories installed on the Oxydean Marine Dominator ARTR. We got a rudder and the, I guess whatever the, so we have the rudder and the piece that would connect the rudder to the servo. Got some tools in this bag. This obviously has a water pickup in the rudder. We have some grease, I believe, which is for going on the drive shaft for inside of here. Here's the propeller for this one. It's keyed on, 2-blade. Here is the end nut for the propeller, along with the dual water pickups and 2 grub screws, which actually I need to get 2 more grub screws, believe it or not. It needs 4 total and I only have 2, so this is going to go together just for, you know, looks purposes, but the drive shaft isn't going to be in place right now. So that's that. And then these are the dual fins on the side. Don't know if I need to use Loctite. 0 instructions on this, so we're just going to put it together and then I'll find out more if I have to take it apart before I take it out and run it. But let's get started. Oh yeah, a little difficult right now for me. Had an unfortunate accident. My finger survived. However, it needed some surgery to get put back together all the way. So for the next 6 weeks or so, I'm gonna be one-handed. This cast is gonna get a little smaller a couple times, supposedly. Down the bag here. Beautiful parts for sure. Now, just from the couple of videos I've seen on setting these up, I've seen these, whatever these pieces are technically called, I'll get the technical name, put it up somewhere on the screen. But for now, that's where I'm going to leave it. Just to get it in place, let's take off the other one. Again, get the other one. You need the knife edge on the outside of the boat. Ah, me got smart. Happy learned how to do one-handed. So let's get that adjusted like the other one. Pretty much right there. We'll fine tune it in a few minutes. Beautiful. The rudder looks like it is on with a, let's try 7, yes. 7 mil for the top nut. Ooh, nice catch. 5.5 mil. These are titanium tipped tools I get off Amazon. I haven't stripped a single nut or bolt since I got them. They might not be MIPs, but they work great. Trying to put a link in the description for them. Whether it's my box ends or my hex drivers, they've been really good. There we go. And it looks like these are also threaded on. Like this. Beautiful. Big bolt on the top, no washer. Washer on the bottom, a smaller nut. Get the top piece all off. Look at this fiberglass, it's absolutely beautiful. There, yeah, listen, it's got some fingerprints on it now. Usually doesn't have those. There's a couple small flaws on it. I'll try and see what I can do as far as cleaning it up. It's just clear coat on the fiberglass. But definitely I can make this perfectly smooth if I took it somewhere and make it beautiful. But you shouldn't have to. But either way, the fiberglass is really, fiberglass, I'm sorry. The carbon fiber on this is absolutely beautiful. Hard not to like that part of this thing. So we have the linkage that goes through here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Two millimeter. Looks like up here. Prop shaft does have 2 spots for 2 grove screws. Go on. The propeller doesn't thread on, it's just extremely tight on the shaft. Time for the water pickups. Time for the grub screws to hold the shaft in place. Alright, so with the exception of some zip ties and connecting the servo, and of course fine-tuning everything once it's up and running. That's what she looks like. Wow. That's got some resistance. That feels like it's going to go. So again, we got dual water pickups. We got these knife edge blades on the side here. 2 trim tabs on each side. Dual water pickups. Water pickup on the rudder. Keyed prop. Beautiful fit and finish on this here. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. No other way to put it. This is the self-righting Dominator from Oxydean Marine. This beast is going to hit the water soon. Full carbon fiber hull. Wow. I mean, 2000 kV motor. Some people may think that's underpowered. Just wait till you see it run. Video's coming. We're going to run this thing. This may be one of my most ran RCs I end up with. I plan on having an absolute blast with this. I got a lot of lakes around me to go take it, and we're gonna go have some fun. Let's get the shell top back on. There is no way to secure these. They all come like that. On his website, he just suggests a waterproof tape to go on here. I'm gonna come up with something, some sort of waterproof piece I can run around the inside, stick the lid on top. I'd love to have a hinge here with like a key lock to pop up and just flip the top open. So we'll see what we're gonna do with this. 33.5 inches long. Oxydean Marine. There's the 2 water outlets from the 2 water inlets here. Each one for the ESC, one for the motor. Haven't set the trim tabs yet. They're not even down on them. Still need 2 more grub screws for the back here to hold these in, but that's good for now. At least you can kind of see what they are. But, wow. All right. All right, so that was it, everybody. That was an unboxing and the accessory install of the Oxydean Marine Dominator. This was the ARTR version with no radio or receiver. We still got to get that installed next. But this thing sure is a thing of beauty. The craftsmanship is absolutely amazing. Beautiful looking boat. Looks like it's going to be an absolute weapon on the water. I can't wait to get it out there and test it. Got plenty of lakes, rivers, water all around me locally. Want to have a blast. Let's get out there, follow along. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Addicted to RC, and we're out.